All right, this is the Backyard Discovery all-season steel pergola. So this thing is super beautiful. It has seriously been such a great addition to our backyard. As you can see, it's on our back deck, and it looks so nice. I'm loving the color and how it blends with our house. It's very neutral and super nice looking. So we'll zoom in a little closer. So it is made of steel, which is super awesome. It's no maintenance, so you can see it's nice and hard. So it shouldn't have any maintenance. It's got these beautiful beams that go across the top. That is a canopy that comes with it. That we just kind of laid across the top. And it is nice because it has UV protection. But I like how it still lets a little bit of the light through. So it's not like it's super dark sitting under this thing, but it does protect from the sun when we're sitting under at our little table here. And then we did string those lights along the side just to add a nice little nuance to it. But this thing is super awesome. If you anchor it the way that the instruction manual teaches, they say that it can last 100-mile-per-hour winds. And it has been through a few storms and has stayed up obviously just fine. So it's very sturdy, very high quality, looks really classy. And then something that's super awesome about this, we actually just hung some curtains on it too. But so it comes with this power box. So it's got 3 normal plugs like these, and then it's got 3 USB cords. So you can charge phones you can plug in. So we have our lights plugged in. It's so awesome. So then we have it just hooked to our house. And then this thing is seriously, it's just so nice. It's such a great addition to the yard. It's just a great place to sit. We love to have dinner under it. Our friends have been saying how much they love just having it, and they think it's nice to have in our backyard. Really great addition, really high quality, really classy looking. I highly recommend this awesome pergola.